I'm gonna hit you guys with a how to mix tutorial. So I've been seeing a lot of rappers lately posting pictures to Instagram in the studio like, oh, it's mixing day today, but you know goddamn well that you don't do a fucking thing. Your producer's probably over there like, oh my fucking god, just let me work. Leave. Now. Please. These fools don't know the amount of blood, sweat, and tears and cocaine that we put into our tracks, man. So what I decided to do is to show you guys how to mix your tracks like a pro. Like the Skull. Like this guy. Like me, yeah, right here. Step number uno, you gotta stretch. Step number dos, you gotta meditate. FOLAJF. Step number tres, you gotta eat. You gotta eat though. Step number cuatro, open your music production software. Step number 5, don't listen. Step number 6, use Neutron. That's what I do. For real. There you go, now we have some poorly mixed songs ready for SoundCloud. Please like and subscribe so that I can lose my virginity. Okay, arrivederci.